Well, it's about time this had some company again. Doesn't like being on its own. So, in light of all the sadness around and everybody feeling down, which they are, I've decided to cheer one person up who's super important to me. So I've just bought a new bike for Karen, and I'm going to go and pick it up tomorrow in Scotland. She's got no idea whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is take it up go in the van. I can just get it in sideways with a slight angle, and I'll drive it back down in the van, set it up here. I'll be up in Scotland and back before she gets in from work tomorrow, which is Sunday. So there you go. This bad boy will not be alone for long. I'm just going to go and see if I can knock up some form of ramp to get the bike in the other end, no bother. Get the ramp up here. Get the bike in on a bit of an angle down there, front end, back end here. And then it's just a case of strapping it down somehow. I can use this. Wedge it either side with the cushions. So I'll need some bedding, old bedding or something like that to put down to protect my cushions. That'll do it. That will do it. Change of plan. My pal, oh my god, what a great bloke. He's just rang us there and he says he'll take us up with his trailer. It's a ride-on trailer as well. What ledge. So I'm going to pretend I'm working tomorrow so I can get out and I'm going to drive the van to my mate's house, leave it there. She thinks we're going to Liverpool. I'm going to Edinburgh. I need a strap in and all sorts. I'm going to have a look in the garage. See what I've got. Morning. I'm heading up to Scotland to pick the bike up. So I was there like an excited sleep last night. It was like Christmas morning when I woke up this morning. Oh, get in. We're going to pick the bike up. So I'm just off to my pals. Dump the van because she thinks I'm going to work. She thinks I'm on my way to Liverpool. But you know, I'm not. Go up in the pickup. He has an L200. Go up in that with the trailer. Got some bits and bobs in the back of the van here to tie it down. Got my crash helmet and gloves. Take the bike for a little spin when I get there. I'm very excited. I've been looking for about 4 months. It's really been just nigh on impossible trying to find the exact bike that she wanted. Well, that she had, because that's the bike she wants, that's the one she misses. She misses that Phaser 600 so much, and absolutely 100% deserves to get it. So horrible when she got knocked off her bike. Could have been so much worse. Put a lot of people off, but as soon as we got the new bike, I traded my old one in for that one with the insurance that Karen got, which was absolutely pitiful insurance. Bashed it down. Paid extra on the blinking bike insurance to get her on mine as well. Honestly, absolute joke. Absolute joke. Nothing to do with her. But anyway, it's just putting everything right in my eyes. Got a fair price. Just asking a little bit high. I got down to a price I think was fair, which literally probably covers the cost of getting it back and quite possibly insurance. Got 6 months tax on it, and he's put a full tank of fuel in, which is 20 quid for fuel. That's all it takes to fill a bike really. 20, 25 quid. Depending where you go, of course. Going to motorway will cost you bloody 50. Got the bike, leaving Scotland. Hopefully it's going to stay upright all the way home. It's not gone anywhere, that man. Oh yeah. He's saying that he's not involved.
I'm not involved in none of that. Mick the Moon and Stephen, we're at Liverpool. Job cancelled. I'm making jobs up.
Whose idea was that? Job cancelled?
I think it was mine, aye.
Right. Right, that's us nearly. Well, we're back in North East. I've just picked my van up now. My pal, we left about 7:10 this morning from his, and it's going to be all done and dusted. It's just gone 12 o'clock now. Absolutely brilliant. Got up there, the guy was lovely who I bought it from. Bike's fantastic. I did take it out, took it for a spin. I was about 10-15 minutes. I give it a good howking because I like that, and it's smooth as anything. Beautiful, really nice ride, really nice. So it does need a clean. I was hoping it would have been a little bit tidier, but it's only muck. It's only just because it's been standing. So I know Karen's going to come home for lunch about 1:15. Told her I'm nearly back because the job in Liverpool got cancelled. She fell for it. And then I'll have that hidden in the garage. I'll have my bike out on the drive. Just tell her I feel like going for a spin or something like that. I'm going to do some work on the van, so I need the space in the garage. And then when she goes back to work, I'll just detail the bike. I'll give you a good look around it once she's away. I'll get it out again on the drive and give it a good tidy up. So I'm so looking forward to seeing her face. It's in superb condition. Drives great, and absolute bargain. More than happy. Everyone's a winner. He was happy. Who I bought it from, I'm happy. Doesn't get any better, and I know one person's going to be more happier than anybody else in the world. And that's what it's all about. Sick of everyone being down in the dumps. It's just bad luck, or just, you know, the greatest generation went through a lot worse than what we're going through, being stuck in watching our box sets and things like that. Yes, it's worrying times and we need to be aware, of course we do, but we don't have to be sad all the time about it. This is one thing that's definitely going to cheer her up. She's offered her services, do lots of voluntary work as well during this crisis, so if anything it would be great for her to get out and about on the bike, helping out. Maybe she'll keep a helmet on when she goes to people's houses. Not a bad shout. Oh yes, there's the culprit. There's the culprit.
Liverpool.
Supposed to not be here till 1:15. It's just after 12:30. I've literally just put the bike in, put the shutter down, and she's rang there saying I'm on my way home now for our lunch. Close. There we go. Just give it a wash. I've still got to detail it, but I've just got the most of the crap off it. So just the wheels to do and the chain. Boop boop boop. Less than 10,000 miles on the clock. Complements my baby very nicely. It's so good to have two bikes again. I've done a couple of modifications on the bike. Just
all bikes, that should be a consultation.
I like you doing the big review. Might be going far.
What? What is that?
Oh God.
It's an 06 FZ Phaser 600 with less than 11,000 miles on the clock.
I love
Is that all it is? 11,000.
10,300.
Oh. It's beautiful.
it. Lovely.
Oh.
So where have you been?
Edinburgh today.
Good. Oh.
Me neither. Went to get out with his train.
Bloody lovely. Beautiful.
Woo.
Oh,
You look like a pea on a
started open.
Well, I hope I don't get locked in the house now.
You better not.
Well, it's on the way. Now when the zombies come tonight.
Oh, is this why we need a bigger garage?
Uh-huh.
I needed a bigger garage. Ten 10,211 miles. It's done less than 1,000 miles a year.
Oh.
But yeah, they're exactly the same.
Lovely.
The same, yeah, as my old one.
Beautiful.
It's exactly the same bike, just different colour.
Beautiful.
Looks nice, isn't it, as well?
Lovely. Look.
And the little red trims.
Fab. Absolutely fab.
What did I deserve such a nice present for? Because you're lovely.
Honey in it.
That's lovely.
Gosh.
Sorry I wasn't getting overtime.
You better get some. You better get
Yeah, I
some
know.
now.
You got me, so I know.
Happy?
Yeah, there you go. What is this?
Happy days. So you can see by that, she's made up. Whew. Never doubted it.